Hello, welcome to my channel. I have been struggling with consistency for a long time. So, instead of overthinking, and I decided to start a 7-day consistency challenge. This is the timetable I will follow every day from the next 7 days. It includes reading, solving maths problems and coding, exercising and English practice daily. I will be adding my screen time of the day to check if this challenge really affects my screen time while completing the challenge. I'm not trying to be perfect. Even if I don't complete everything in a day, I will still post honestly. If someone gets even a little bit help from my video, I will be very happy. Let's see if I can stay consistent for 7 days.